Good morning, friends. Today, I want to share with you a very special recipe, a rich, aromatic roasted vegetable soup that will warm you from the inside out, even on the coldest day. It is nutrient-dense, bursting with flavor, and perfectly suited for anyone who needs to keep their blood sugar stable. Join me. I'm sure you'll love it. The base of the soup is a combination of fresh, nutrient-rich vegetables. Tomatoes, naturally low in carbs, around 2.53 grams of sugars per 100 grams, high in antioxidants like lycopene, and a good source of vitamin C. Sweet red bell pepper, red paprika for color and antioxidants. 2 whole garlic bulbs, nearly carb-free, full of allicin, which supports cardiovascular health and may improve insulin sensitivity. 1.5 onions. For extra aroma, you can add fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. If those aren't available, a sprinkle of dried herbs works perfectly. All vegetables are arranged on a baking tray and lightly drizzled with olive oil, a healthy fat that slows carbohydrate absorption and supports heart health. At this stage, no salt is added to preserve the pure natural flavors. The vegetables are roasted in a preheated oven for about 30-35 minutes. Around 10 minutes before the end, a chili pepper is added. Chili contains capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory effects and can help improve metabolism. Once roasted, the vegetables are soft and easy to peel. Garlic cloves are squeezed out of their skins, peppers are cleaned of seeds and skins, and tomato skins are removed. All the vegetables, along with the flavorful juices and olive oil from the pan, are transferred into a blender. This preserves all the nutrients, including the fiber from the vegetable flesh. The puree is poured into a pot and brought to a gentle boil. At this stage, there are a few customization options. For richer flavor, add a small amount of passata, strained tomatoes with no added sugar. Always check the label to ensure only tomatoes are listed. To reduce acidity, add a few tablespoons of heavy cream, virtually carb-free, and a pinch of a safe sweetener. Cream adds richness and healthy fats, which help keep blood sugar stable. Always taste and adjust salt and seasoning to your preference. If cream is not preferred, replace it with vegetable broth. It keeps the soup light while preserving depth of flavor. This method allows you to prepare one base soup and adapt it for different preferences in the household. To make the soup more filling and nutrient-dense, sauté a mix of seafood, such as mussels, squid, and shrimp, in a blend of butter and olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Shrimp, rich in high-quality protein and virtually carb-free. Squid, a great source of lean protein and minerals like selenium. Mussels provide omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. These additions make the soup a complete, balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which work together to prevent blood sugar spikes. Ladle the soup into bowls, top with the sautéed seafood, and garnish with fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil. The bright colors and rich aroma make it feel like a restaurant-quality dish, but it's one you can easily make at home. Roasted vegetable soup is a wonderful way to diversify your menu, maximize nutrient intake, and maintain stable blood sugar levels. It warms, nourishes, and delights the senses without overloading you with carbs. Recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.